This is Patches. We rescued him 7 years ago. He is a Dalmatian Lab mix
She ditched
and has the
Tribe,
sweetest, gentlest temperament.
wearing her
Patch was found wandering the streets of Charleston, having been shot in his rear left leg, completely shattering the leg bone. Thanks to Noah's Ark, he received surgery to repair the leg. A plate and pins were surgically implanted to join the shattered bone. He went in for follow-up surgery several years ago to tighten the pins holding the leg bones together. Once healed from his second surgery, he was trained by my wife and became a certified therapy dog. This slideshow shows Patches at some of the many events he has attended. Unfortunately, his leg again requires surgery. We have started a GoFundMe campaign to cover his surgical costs. Please help us help Patches. Thank you, and may God bless you.
From now on, dogs sit on logs, not frogs. Really, said the dog. Really, said the